Hi Jordy, Uncle Will here. I'm getting ready to show you how to put that bracket and the screws onto your laptop. Again, I apologize for missing that. What you're going to do is you turn it on the back with these two facing this way. The battery's here. You click this, pull this over, click that opens the case. You take the case off and you pull out your battery. So it'll be an easy, just pull it out. These two screws right here, you want to take them out. They're the smaller screws. I normally like to keep things on the side where I know I took them out. You're going to take those two screws out. Leave these two in. Just take the two at the far ends out. You're going to take these two screws out. I'm going to put them up here because I know that's where they go. And then proceed to take all of these out. I have to change. You have a Phillips head, so those Phillips heads should be fine. So you're going to take these 6 screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be pretty simple. And I'll just lay them on the side by there. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now it should come out, but I know the ones I'm going to take the screws out and the plate that you're missing. You wouldn't have to do that because they're not there. So I'm just taking these 2 screws out. These are the ones that you're missing and this black plate. And I'm just going to walk you through that. Normally I have a little thing that allows me to pry. And you could go, it's pretty simple. Start at this and you see how easy it just lift it out. So what it does, you lift that out. And then this plate right here you don't have. So this plate, you see the circle? You see how that circles? You're going to take that plate. I gave it to your dad. You're going to take this plate, slide it back in, slide it right in there, fits in there because it has the circle. As you can see, it's flushed. And flush that back. Just like that. And then you want to put the screw ins that I sent. And then just tighten the screws in. And I mean, it's without them, it didn't harm the laptop, but it just gives it a little more stability. And then I just put those in. And that's all you got to do. Just like that. I didn't pull it all the way out and take much long. And then just to proceed to replace all the screws that you took out. These 2 are going to go back here. These 6 are going to go right here. And these 2 tiny ones are going to go right here. Place your battery back in. Have a battery. Hold on. To make it easy, place your battery like this. See the teeth of the batteries? Just place them back in like this. And then just place that on. And then you place that back on. And then slide this to lock it back. Make sure all of this is flush. And that's it. Okay? I'll be sending this to you through the YouTube. Bye.